Hey guys, this is Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another video where I give you the best tips and tricks to improve your Spanish and help you sound like a real native speaker. If you're new here, welcome. Took you long enough. I am a tutor for Overcome the Barrier, a language learning company that offers you the amazing experience of learning Spanish by engaging in conversation with native speakers from all over Latin America like me. Before we get started with today's video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of our content. We post daily content about Spanish, grammar, vocabulary, conversation, culture, and much more. You don't want to miss it. Today we have a brand new grammar lesson. We're gonna be breaking down the past perfect tense in Spanish. So, with no further ado, let's get right to the video. We recently posted a video about the present perfect tense. You can find the link for that one in the description. And today we're gonna be talking about the past perfect tense. Just like the present perfect, the past perfect is a compound tense. That means you're gonna need to use two verbs in order to form it. In this case, a conjugation of the auxiliary verb haber and the verb of your choice in its past participle form. This last one is the action that takes place. But what is the difference between present and past perfect? First, let's take a look at it in English. I have been waiting for you is an example of present perfect. You can tell because we're using the present form of the verb to have. I had been waiting for you is the same sentence but in the past perfect tense. We're using the verb to have in its past form, had. Now in Spanish, the difference is the same. For the present perfect, we'll use the present conjugation of the verb haber. And for the past perfect, we'll use the imperfect conjugation of the verb haber. Let's take a look at these two sentences in Spanish. Yo he estado esperando por ti. This is present perfect. He is the present form of the verb haber in the first person. Yo había estado esperando por ti. This is past perfect. Había is the imperfect form of the verb haber. Now let's take a look at the conjugations of the verb haber in the imperfect for each subject. Yo había. Tú habías. Él, ella, usted había. Nosotros habíamos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes habían. And vosotros habíais. Now, as far as meaning goes, the difference is the same one as in English. When you say, I have been waiting for you, you're referring to an action that began in the past and was continued into the present. Whereas when you say, I had been waiting for you, now the action began and ended in the past. Now, to finish forming your past perfect sentence, you're gonna need a verb in its past participle form. Remember that to form the past participle of any regular verb, you're gonna need to replace the ending with ado for verbs ending in ar and with ido for verbs ending in er or ir. Let's take a look at some examples. I had been home by then. Yo había estado en casa para entonces. In this sentence, the auxiliary verb haber is in the first person singular yo. And the second verb is the verb to be, in this case, estar. In its past participle form, estado. Yo había estado. She had eaten already. Ella ya había comido. In this case, the auxiliary verb haber is in the third person singular, ella. And the second verb is the verb comer, to eat. In its past participle form, comido. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. If you want to learn more about how to form compound sentences and refresh the present perfect and the past participle, I encourage you to head to our description and click on the link for the present perfect video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our content. Nos vemos! ¡Mua!